Can you please brief about yourself?
Good morning, sir. My name is Akshay Brahma. I have completed my BTech in Electronic and Communication Engineering from Vardhaman College. I am 2023 passed out batch. I have built some projects in my academics such as phase generations using GANs style GAN 3 and plant disease detection. And my strengths are adaptability to situations and technical skills are Java, some part of J2EE, Java Enterprise Edition, SQL, HTML, CS, and Bootstraps.
Okay. So, how much you rate yourself out of 10?
7 to 8.
7. Okay. So, what are the OOPS concepts?
OOPS concepts are inheritance, classes, objects, and encapsulation, polymorphism, overloading, overriding, and
Overloading or overriding are not separate.
part
It
of
comes
the
under polymorphism.
polymorphism.
Okay. So, what is polymorphism?
So polymorphism is when there are more methods, one or more methods with same name.
Okay.
If polymorphism consists of two types, overloading and overriding. Overloading is when there are more methods with same name in same class or in different classes. Then overloading will occur, sir. To conquer that, we can declare parameters, sir, such as int and string. In that, with that we can
What is
call
overriding?
with overriding. In overriding, if a method is present in parent class and that same method is present in child class, then parent
How can you
method
call
is
it as a child class? Because
when-
there are two different classes. How can you call it as that is parent and this is child?
because it will extend the
That
properties
is
from
important.
parent class.
Okay.
Only private methods and private fields will not be extended, sir, to subclasses or child classes.
Okay. So I have method M1 in both parent and child class. Okay. M1 is having only one parameter. M2 is having two parameters. Can we call it as overriding?
No, sir. It was not overriding because parameters are different, no, sir.
Okay.
There are two parameters in child class and there is only one parameter in parent class, no, sir.
Okay.
Then it will come under overloading.
Overloading? No, it will not come under overloading. Overloading will be within the class.
Within the class.
Okay. This is between the classes. It will not come under overload. Okay, fine. So, what is encapsulation?
Encapsulation is binding the classes and methods. Its methods, behavior and fields.
So you can bind the class.
No, sir. Sorry. Object of methods.
Binding the fields and methods. Okay. So, what is the different type of access specifiers?
Access specifier. There are 4 access specifiers, sir. Private, public, public. One minute.
Okay.
I will think.
Protected,
Public,
protected,
and
unspecified. Okay. So which
default.
Default or unspecified, both are same. Okay. So what is the access specifier you will be using for the fields inside a class?
Inside a class, for fields, sir, we can use abstract.
These are abstract access specifier.
No, sir, it was access mods where I think public we will use, sir, for fields.
Okay.
Private also we will use.
Okay. So
Protected and same, sir.
okay.
Same on.
Public and private will use, but in encapsulation, what is the access specifier you will be going to use? Because there is certain behavior, right? If you use private, what is that?
Only that class can use, sir.
Okay. not can use, can access.
Can access.
Yep. Suppose if you use private to the variable, okay, then how you will be going to access that particular value of the field?
We have to create an object for that class.
Okay.
And then only we can
Okay, so I have created an object. Can I use object dot field name?
field name. No, sir, we cannot use.
Because you already provided as a private.
Yes, sir.
The visibility is not available.
Not available.
Yeah.
And
Okay, fine. So what is exception handling?
exception handling, there are two types of exceptional handling, sir. Checked and unchecked.
Those are not exception handling is not two types.
Exceptions are two types.
Okay.
In exception.
How you implement custom exceptions?
Custom exceptions, we by using try, and we have to declare our. I have forgotten, sir.
Okay. So you have to extend the exception class, and you have to write a new class by extending the exception class, and you have to write your own constructor by passing that particular variable. Okay, and passing the message. Okay, fine. Can I write a try without catch?
No, sir.
No?
It will show errors.
No.
Definitely.
We can write
We can.
try with finally. So what is JDBC?
JDBC is a Java database connection, sir, full form abbreviation.
It's not connection, it's connectivity. Yep. So what are the steps involved in JDBC?
Steps. 5 steps I have. I think first we have to declare the type of which database we are using. We have to declare, sir, first.
Okay.
We have to load that driver.
Okay.
After that connection, the driver will inform the driver management about which database we are using. In second step, it will load that driver connection, sir. Driver management will load its responsibility to connect the driver.
Actually, there are only 4: loading the driver, getting the connection, okay, creating the prepared statement or statement, whatever, executing the query. For this one, we'll use class.forName. For this, we'll use driver manager.get connection. This is connection.create statement that execute. Okay, fine. So, what is servlet?
Servlet will control the input given by the user, sir, from front end.
Okay.
And it will create a model in model class and stores that variables which are given by user in user interface, and it will it will try to inform that DAO, sir, data access object, I think. DAO, it will inform that to get the values from models.
Okay, so what are the different types of servlets?
General and HTTP.
It's not general. Generic. Okay, so what is the life cycle of a servlet? Life cycle methods?
I don't
know. No?
Don't know.
Okay, fine. So, what is MVC?
Sir, MVC, I can explain, but I don't know full form, sir, actually. But
MVC, you don't know the full form?
I have forgotten.
Okay, it's model, view, controller.
Model, view, controller.
Model is nothing but data, view is nothing but front end, controller is nothing but
data.
Servlet. Servlet is that servlet will be handling in this case. Okay.